What's up, YouTube? It's me, Kenneth, with North Texas Barbecue Addicts. Today, if y'all are in the Texas area, or even in some other areas, obviously, it's the time of year where wild weather can happen. So sometimes that means we're going to cook outside if we can, and then sometimes it means we're wanting to stay inside, have the fire lit, and just fire up the stovetop and make some really awesome food. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. I've got some USDA Prime New York strips from Six Brothers Beef Company. As always, we've got that NTBA 10 code. It'll get you 10% off your total purchase. I got to give a shout out to my buddy Chef Couillon. He came over about a week ago and brought some smoked pepper jack cheese, and he left me with a little bit of it. So we're going to use some of that in this recipe too. So New York strip steak, USDA Prime, smoked pepper jack cheese, lots of flavor. We're making some flatbread pita bites, so y'all stick around. Alright, so we're going to make these steak pita flatbread pouches, and we've got the USDA Prime steak. These are New York strips from Six Brothers Beef. This is how they come. We've thawed them out for about 2 days in the fridge. They've got awesome marbling. We're going to cube these up, and then we'll get to cooking them up in the skillet. Y'all stick around. Alright, y'all, so this is what we got right here. We've got the prime steak from Six Brothers all sliced up thinly, and then we put 2 knobs of butter in here. We haven't seasoned this steak yet, but we're going to do that right when we get it into the pan. Let's go ahead. This is going to be a quick cook. We're putting these together with some lettuce, tomatoes, maybe some avocado, and whatever dressing you want, and pita flatbread. So we're going to get this in here. Now that this is in the skillet, we're at a little bit over a medium-low. Not too hot, not too low. We're going to season with some steak seasoning. This is steakhouse seasoning from Blackstone. Really good flavors like some salt, pepper, and some herbs in there. And remember, we put 2 small knobs of butter just to keep it from sticking to the skillet. Get a good amount of that seasoning in there. Most importantly, you want all the contact from the steak and the skillet. You can use a cast iron skillet, you can use a regular skillet, you could use a flat top cooker right now. It really doesn't matter, just as long as you have a flat surface to cook on. Just want to get this all combined with that seasoning, and then we'll re-season also. As you can see, it's already starting to cook quickly. You kind of want to cook to maybe a medium well. When you're doing these pita pouches, you don't want the runniness of a medium rare going on in your flatbread, so cook it a little bit more than a medium rare. And go back in with this steak seasoning. And remember, you can always add more seasoning, but you can't take it away. So I'm going to finish letting that cook up. Again, this is a quick cook, perfect for football Sunday or just a really quick dinner idea. We're going to let that finish cooking up. You can do this on the kettle. It's kind of cold and rainy outside today. You can do it on any cooker you got, or you can do it right on the stove top in the skillet. That's what we're doing today. Once this is done, we're going to get some tomatoes, avocados, lettuce, and whatever dressing we want to use, and assemble us some steak, pita, flatbread, bites, and this is going to be good, so y'all stick around. Alright, y'all, this has been rolling for about 2 minutes. We've been just flipping it around, trying to cook it all evenly through. As you can see, most of it is. We got a little bit still to go. Again, we're not looking for medium rare. Y'all have seen plenty medium rare steaks on this channel. We're looking for medium well for these pita pouches with the lettuce, the tomatoes. Build them how you want to, but next time I see y'all, we're gonna put together one of these and give it a shot. Y'all stick around. Alright y'all, so this steak is pretty much cooked. What I did is turned the stove top off and just put a lid on top of it just to finish cooking it all the way through. Kind of braise it with all those natural juices from that USDA prime meat, and re-seasoned it just a little bit with that steak seasoning. We're gonna let that go. Again, the stove top's turned off. Let that go for about a minute or two, just absorbing all that flavor, and then we're gonna build us a pita bread pouch and give it a shot. So the good thing about these is I added that smoked pepper jack cheese in here while they're just kind of chilling, no heat. And then you build it how you want to. We got our pita flatbread, more cheese if you want it, tomatoes, avocados, lettuce, ranch. Alright y'all, so I got my little pita pocket made. I've got avocado, lettuce, tomato, and then we made that USDA prime steak in the skillet. Just a little bit of butter, steak seasoning, you choose what you want. There's tons out there, but let's see what we're working with. Look at the inside there, that's awesome. Cheers y'all. Got avocado, melted cheese, tomato, lettuce, and the steak. You can put whatever you want on it, but this literally just tastes like steak and vegetables and a pita bread pocket. Awesome game day food, awesome quick dinner on the stove top, in the grill, whatever you want to do. This is awesome. Kind of like make your own little combo, whatever makes it work for you. So that's what we did today. The weather was kind of rainy, cold. We stayed in the kitchen and watched football. So until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing. Get you some pita bread and stuff it with some meat. Later, y'all.